Hello everyone, and today we are going to perform the experiment of burning the magnesium ribbon. So here I have got the magnesium ribbon with me, right? And here is my jet flame thrower, and we are going to burn this magnesium ribbon right now. So let's see it. Okay, so here this is the magnesium ribbon and I'm gonna burn it. So let's see. As you all can see, this dazzling flame, I'll just turn off the light so that you see the effect better. You can see this light, okay, it's dazzling and you should not look at it for more time, right? And this, you see the white residue is nothing. See, this white residue which you have is nothing but magnesium oxide itself, because basically what we have done is here magnesium is combined with oxygen to make magnesium oxide. So that's all for this time. Meet you next time. Bye bye.